All right, guys and gals, so this is Brandon back on Motor Nubs, and we got a little bit of Honda content coming in today. So this is the cheap car challenge car that I did, I don't know, 6-7 months ago. That challenge is over. I never ended up finishing it. I got it running and driving, but I never got it tuned. Anyway, the ECU is on the way, so I figured I'm gonna go ahead and put tags on it. I have to do a couple little things up underneath the hood. And I'm gonna start driving this car. I'm gonna play around with it and enjoy it. So, you know, why have a car and not actually enjoy it? It's a 4-door 1995 Acura Integra. It has the, what is it, the F22B2, which is a 2.2 liter single overhead cam, non-vtec 4-cylinder. Nothing crazy going on there, but it is a manual 5-speed car. Check it out. It's got the stick in there. Interior is not 100% totally trashed. It's got working heat, working AC. That's pretty much all the upside it has. Other than that, it's got a little bit of downside. Front bumper is all cracked and messed up. The rear bumper was like cut off. It's got some body damage, but it's a perfect essence of a just a beater Honda. So let me I'm gonna put some heat wrap on this exhaust pipe where it's kind of close to this radiator hose, and then we're gonna head to the store and get it filled up with some gas because it's got a bunch of old gas in it. All right, got a horrible wrap job, but I just want that knot to burn this radiator hose so I can get it home, and then I can redo that and maybe get me like an actual piece of pipe made there instead of having just the flex pipe. So I'm gonna get it started up. The battery was dead. Hope it holds a charge. Alright guys, so we are in the Accord right now. We're cruising down the road. If you look at the dash, temperature seems pretty good. I put a little bit of fuel in it. I need some more though. I didn't realize. I put $15 in. This thing must have been like bone dry because it only brought it up to like a quarter tank. So I'll need to put some more fuel in. I'm still untuned, so I'm not going to get on any boost right now, but just taking it easy, gonna get the car home, and then gonna start cleaning this thing out because it is a mess in here of just old parts and all kinds of just junk. So not gonna do like a detail by any means, but just gonna get all the junk out, maybe vacuum it out and get it ready. The tuned or the chipped ECU should be in the next couple days, and then we can actually start playing with this car a little bit. I'm gonna put a boost gauge on it and see if we can't, you know, fine tune that and get it somewhere around that 4 to 6 psi range. But right now she seems healthy. Everything seems okay. So I'll fill you in at the end of when I get home. I got about a 30-minute drive to get there. All right, so I have made it home. It made it the 30 miles or around 45 minutes. I had like zip tied this piece of it on or whatever, and that didn't hold, but I did have like one of the actual clamps over here. I'm gonna run up the road and go get some Burger King, and also stop and grab me, I don't know, maybe like some big like hose clamps, and hose clamp that on so that way that'll stay good. I checked when I got home, and it looked like that radiator hose was getting a little warm, but for a 45-minute drive I was happy. I'm not worried about that. So other things that I did notice is my drain line for my turbo, the oil drain. It does look like it's leaking down there. Let me zoom in on it. The car's been sitting here for about an hour to cool off, so it's got a leak probably around the weld on the bung, because the weld wasn't exactly done perfect. We did it with a flux core and didn't have it exactly clean. So yeah, I may clean that up and try to slap some JB Weld on it just so we're not leaking. But I did check the oil. The oil is still full. So yeah, Coolant's full, oil's full. Basically just waiting on the ECU now. Front end looks horrible. I was thinking about maybe cutting out some of this support so that way I could recess the intercooler back in, and then that would let me put the front bumper back on. Let me know your guys' opinions if you think I should go ahead with that, or if you have another idea. Maybe I was thinking maybe putting the intercooler like in there. There's not really enough room. It's got like I think that's a trans cooler line. I might unbolt that, move it out of the way. Or maybe just like cut in, over, and then back out. I guess maybe I could use like a sawzall and sawzall so that this bad boy would just be like right there. I don't know. Let me know your guys' ideas. I'd appreciate it. Thank you for watching I about said Brandon Coin. Thank you for watching Motor Nubs, and hopefully we got some more content on this bad boy coming up in the next couple days. I just don't want to drive on it too much while it's untuned, so yeah, just keeping it down to the bare necessities for right now. Gotta get Burger King. Later, guys.